I have come home, Master.
This is no longer your home, and I am no longer your master.
Oh, yes, you have a new favorite.
This battle is between you and me.
So, that is how it's going to be.
That is how it must be.
What I ever did, I did to make you proud. Tell me how proud you are, Shifu. Tell me.
I have always been proud of you. From the first moment, I've been proud of you. I loved you too much to see what you were becoming. But I was turning you into...
You knew I